I will speak more on the angle of children as a pediatrician, and just share some tips on how we can prevent infection to the best of our ability. And I think with every challenge in life, there comes opportunities if we look keenly enough. And I think with the corona pandemic, one of the greatest opportunities presented to us is to go back to the basics of personal hygiene, going back to the fundamentals of personal hygiene. I've been seeing people putting on masks in the streets, which is good, but when you read about how corona is actually transmitted, as long as the virus comes into contact with your mucous membranes, and those are the membranes that line your eyes, that line your mouth, that line your nose, you could be infected. So as much as it's good to put on the mask, it is even more important to make sure your hands are clean. Because if you go touching surfaces infected with the virus and you rub your eyes or your nose, voila, you could have an infection. So one of the key things that cuts across the board, irrespective of age or gender or race, is to ensure proper hand hygiene, proper hand washing before we eat, before we touch any of our mucosal linings, before and after using the washrooms. That will go a long way to help reduce the rate at which the infection is spread.